Want to make changes to a song you've already created in Suno AI? Whether you'd like to improve the lyrics, change the style, extend the track, or generate a new variation, Suno AI provides several tools to help refine your music. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to edit songs in Suno AI in 2026. So let's get started. First, visit the official Suno AI website or open the mobile app and sign in to your account. Once you're logged in, open your library and select the song you'd like to edit. All of your completed songs are stored in your library for easy access. With the song open, explore the available editing features. Depending on the current version of Suno AI, you may see options such as extend, remix, continue, or creating a new version based on the original song. Yeah, these tools let you improve your music without starting completely from scratch. If you're creating a new version, update your prompt with the changes you'd like. You can describe a different mood, genre, vocal style, tempo, or instrumentation. If the option is available, you can also revise your custom lyrics before generating again. Clear instructions help Suno AI produce results that better match your vision. Click the Generate button and wait while Suno AI creates the updated version of your song. Once it's ready, listen carefully to compare it with the original. Take a moment to decide whether the new version is an improvement. If you'd like to keep experimenting, adjust your prompt again and generate additional versions. Small changes to the style, instruments, or lyrics can produce dramatically different results. Many creators generate several versions before choosing their favorite. Once you're happy with the final version, it'll be saved automatically in your library. Depending on your subscription plan, you can also share it using a public link or download the song. So you've successfully edited a song in Suno AI, and that's how to edit songs in Suno AI. Whether you're refining the lyrics, changing the musical style, extending the track, or creating a fresh variation, the editing tools make it easy to improve your AI-generated music. The more you experiment with prompts and revisions, the closer your final song will be to your original idea. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.